What up, y'all? It's your boy CJ here, CJ Grind Time, back with another video. Finna give y'all some more value. We finna tear it up, guys. This is an easy free traffic method that I've used to make some good money, man. And y'all can follow these steps and procedures too. I'm gonna give y'all some straight guidelines on how to do this. But before we get started, please, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button, and please drop a comment if you have any questions. And be sure to watch this whole entire video. Watch this entire video because I'm going to tell you what you have to do to be able to get this site to be able to perform this method and technique right now today. So, all right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take other websites' traffic and make posts based off of things, pain points people like casino winnings. The casinos just opened back up with the COVID-19 pandemic, so people are ready to get out, spend some money. And so this is a good way for you to be able to, hijack some traffic, make some good money, you know what I'm saying? So I went here, found this website, found this image, and I came and I copied this here, saved it. Just going over the procedure that I do. And the next step that I did was I came to this software I use, and I'll be revealing this software in my course. And like I said, watch this video to the finish and comment below what you think after you've seen this full method and technique, and I'll be giving 5 people the most 5 engaging comments on this video the link to this website. It's completely free for you to use. So let's get back to it. So first things first, I'm gonna create a new seed, and so I already have my my offer, which is right here. Created this simple offer off of cpagrip. Enter to win a Walmart a gift card or a shopping spree. Something simple. I'll show you the simple process that you do for that. And you just create. I'm gonna go back. All right, so we're gonna come grab this offer right here, copy the link, come back, we're gonna create new seed, sorry, my mistake. We're gonna come back and create new CTA, create new element first. Gonna come enter win now. You can make this more creative. I'm just making this for demonstration purposes. I'm gonna click on image. I'm gonna upload an image, which is gonna be this right here. Then we're gonna put in our cpagrip URL and click submit. That creates our element. Now we're going to create a new project. And now this is the beautiful part. This is the easy part, y'all. This is the to click win. And we're going to come back to the casino website and we're going to copy this URL link. Come back here and this is what we're going to paste. We're going to click create. Now as you see, our ad is over this website. We're gonna create, boom, done. Now, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna copy the URL link, come to any image.io, any image.io, and we're gonna select our picture that we picked from the website. I'm gonna upload it, and the title. we're gonna put gonna come back here, we're gonna copy her name, come back to any image, just how much did she win? 13,000. She won a big 13,000. And then we're gonna type in something like local. Oops, I spelled that all wrong. Local casinos are paying out big. Oops, I can't type for nothing today, y'all. Big winnings. 4,254 in total. And correct our errors. Total. And our destination URL is going to be the URL that we created in our little software. Boom. Finish. Now that that's created, we're going to come to Facebook group. And as you see, I've already posted this and I'm getting likes from this already. I posted this earlier, so I'm not going to post it again, but you get the general idea and point. So once we click on this, what does it do? There it is right there. Takes us to the website. Looks true, real. I didn't have to worry about making a landing page. Here's my CPA offer right here. And it's completely relevant to what's going on here. Now, I'm not going to give away my secret technique on promoting it, but I will say that you can share this type of content in Facebook groups. Don't be greedy about it. Maybe 5 or 6 times, you know, per 4 or 5 hours, and share this. People are going to respond. I mean, and you share it in different groups like classified ads. Let's see, what groups? See, like USA classified. I'd share that in that because we know it's residents. Facebook classifieds, hip hop. You know, like 5 or 6 shares. Nothing too spectacular, just enough to get it seen. Now, people think that you won't get any traction with that, but you really will. Like, you really will. I mean, you'll get engagement. See, look, already engagement from this post. And it's going to bring good traffic in. Now, my technique that I use to like autopilot and kind of push traffic and boost this post, you know, I'm saving that for the course, but I hope this traffic method was informative for you and kind of showing you a way of how you can hijack any website's traffic and make it your own and base that around any niche and sell it. I mean, it's just that simple. And so, like I said, guys, I mean, if you want to know 5 lucky people I'll announce in the next video. If you drop the comment below, hit that like button, comment you watched the full video and what you thought about this technique and how you think it could help you, you know, and the most 5 engaging comments on this video, on the next video, I'll drop the winners. I'll pick the winners and I'll drop y'all an inbox. So this is your boy CJ Grind Time. I'm out.